welcome to BSF Recovery Team. I'm not sure how this one all happened, but we came across this Toyota that was crossways on the trail and wouldn't run. He had a trail buddy that was trying to help him out, and if I remember correctly, it was a little Samurai that just didn't have enough full power to get him straightened out onto the trail and up the hill. So we offered to help him out. The nose of the Toyota was right up against a tree, but when you have a wrecker, that's a pretty easy thing to fix. While we were spooling out cable to pick up the front end of the Toyota and swing it back onto the trail, the driver noticed that the back of the wrecker was missing something, one of the tires. So we had to tell him the story about how that happened.
For now, people needed me.
With the front end of the Toyota now back on the trail, one problem was solved, but we still had another. The Toyota wouldn't start. Now, I'm not sure what the problem was. If it was way low on fuel and sitting on the hill, it wasn't getting any, or if it was flooded or what. But anyway, the owner thought that a pull start should do the trick. We said we'd be glad to pull him up the hill and down the trail a ways to see if he could get the Toyota started.
No?
After a couple attempts to pull start the Toyota, it still wasn't running.
I think it might need a jump start. It started to make noise and stick, but all my lights went off on the dash. Okay, well we're almost out. Do you just want to... Yeah, you can pull his wrist last on. Okay.
Not going out?
Yep.
I had all them trucks were coming. I had to get the hell out of the way.
Yeah, that's fine.
While we were pulling the Toyota out to the trail shack and back to camp, the driver apparently had been still trying to get the Toyota started. But to be honest with you, I was pulling with the big wrecker and the Toyota was little and light. Most of the trail was downhill, so I couldn't feel or even tell if the Toyota was running until we got out by the trail shack, when it finally dawned on me that I wasn't really pulling anything.
Is it running?
Yep, she's running now.
Oh, okay.
Very much.
No problem.
Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. If you want to follow all of our adventures, subscribe to this channel. You can also find us on Facebook. Remember, be safe out there in the woods.